So Wisconsin to Reimagine is about reimagining a future for forestry and the forest products industry in Wisconsin. It's a coalition of partners that is dedicated to reimagining the future of forest products in Wisconsin, playing to the attributes of sustainability and renewability of the huge natural resources we have in the state.
Our forest is pretty unique. It's really a snapshot of what Wisconsin looked like, before pre-settlement occurred. So our forest is an older forest. You're going to learn things there. You can have an impact. Whatever position that you're going to do for us is important.
We're involved, and there's a lot of key pieces that people don't understand. I mean, you don't have to be a logger to work at MTE. Essentially, we're looking for people that are Swiss Army knives. I mean, we need welders. I mean, we need fabricators. We need people that are great at math. I mean, we need accountants. We need people that can step into office roles. You don't have to be someone that piles boards or is cutting the log.
There are more trees in Wisconsin now than there has been since the 1840s. I mean, it's incumbent on ourselves to ensure that forest resource is there for generations to come. And so when we harvest forestry, we do it in a sustainable way. And then the products that we make from it are also sustainable. We manage our resources for this generation, the next generation, and generations to come.